I originally asked Chris about some commercial sort of training and Andrew as well, and then got the email to say that they've started one. So I was happy to jump straight into it. Specifically APC because I already had a relationship with them guys, and I just know that they have a lot of knowledge, so I was happy, definitely to come to them. It was good to have the mix between the two Andrews, one a bit younger and one that's been in the industry forever, so it's really good. The most beneficial part was learning about the falls to waist and cove. It's just pretty scary to take on a job like that without any experience, so now that I've got that little bit of knowledge, I can practice a little bit and get into it. My favourite part was definitely the falls to waist and the coving. The other stuff I've done a fair bit of already, but it was good to sort of learn a little bit more about licensing, and some of the quoting parts were pretty beneficial. A bit of everything really, like I met some really nice people that are like-minded. Catching up with the trainers here at APC was awesome. Catching up with Chris was really cool. And just all the knowledge from the whole course I'll take away for sure. It sets me up with the basic skills to start some of the commercial flooring stuff. Definitely don't jump straight into it. I'll probably go from here, practice at my warehouse and just hone on those skills, and then start doing some commercial flooring. For sure, I think people with a bit of experience first, not someone new to the space, but someone that's got a bit of knowledge about epoxy, I would definitely recommend it.